Have you ever asked yourself, how can you stop hiccups? The first thing that you can do is hold your breath for a short time. The second thing that you can do is take a sip of ice cold water. The third thing that you can do is you can take a paper bag and breathe inside it for a couple of seconds, and it should resolve those hiccups. The fourth thing that you can do is that you can swallow some sugar. There's been studies that have shown that granulated sugar has been helpful stopping hiccups. The fifth thing that you can do is bite on a lemon, or you can taste vinegar. This is a method that my grandmother actually used to suggest to me. The sixth method that you can use is you can pull your knees to your chest and lean forward. One of these 6 measures can help you stop the hiccups.